Merry Vlogmas 2022!
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today is going to be a busy day. It's about 9:30. It's time for my first break of the day. So let's go check on the family and see what everybody's up to. Coming out to the main living area. Bill is hard at work editing Vlogmas Day 2, coming to you soon. I see Will is up and Adam. He's our early riser. He's usually up by like 7 in the morning. Already working on school. There's Bernie, hanging out. He's already had his breakfast, gone for his morning poop.
Well, when Will got up this morning, I said, there's plenty to do. We were going to do some laundry and we'd pack up and finish making lunches. I said, if you want to, you could skip school for now and maybe do it in the truck, either tonight or tomorrow. But I guess he's rather just get his school done.
No more school! We got stuff to do! Put it away!
No.
Put it away!
I'm almost done.
But we're missing a family member. And we told her she wasn't sleeping in today. Of course, now it's 9:30, so... Good morning, Isabella. Rise and shine. Wakey, wakey. Who else's teenager is hard to wake up? It's packing day. We gotta hit the road. Come on, so much to do. Bernie says, get up, Bella. I am working until 3 o'clock, and we need to pack up the whole entire RV, pack up the bikes, hitch up the truck, and we're planning to roll out right after I get off work. We also have to make dinner, sandwiches and stuff, so that we don't have to stop. We don't have to pay for anything, because it's going to be a lot of gas getting from Waco, Texas to Phoenix, Arizona. So we're going to pinch our pennies and just have some sandwiches and fruits and veggies. But Mama's working on a headache, so I'm going to start with some meds. Good old ibuprofen. Let's pop some pills and get some work done. The garage is one of the more challenging spaces to pack up, just because of everything that's in here and then all of the things that we need to secure. The piano stuff usually goes on the bed upstairs. And then, of course, I'm using the computer stuff for now. But at the end of the workday, I just throw it in a basket and put it upstairs in the shower. But we need to clear off the dressers. We need to tie them down, and we need to roll up the rug and bring in the ladders to secure those, the steps to secure those, bring in the bikes and stuff. So during my breaks today, that's what I'm going to be tackling, just trying to clear everything up and get it ready to rock and roll. So I've got a few more minutes before my break is over. Let's get rocking and rolling. Lunchtime, but Mama don't have time to eat. I gotta get to work, and I need to tie down these dressers. But I can't move them alone, so I have enlisted the help of Will. We're gonna move the dressers, get them tied down, and then what are we gonna do?
Roll up the carpet.
That's right. Lots to do. Let's get cracking. Here's a good tip. Make sure everything is out of the dang drawer before you move the dresser. Totally forgot about our D clips. Now our tie downs. Won't get very far without those. He fixed it! Woo!
It's leaking
Oh, yeah.
right in front of my shoes.
Of course, once we get to Arizona, then we can actually decorate. So for now, the stuff that we took out just for video 1 in our daily intro is going to go back in our bin O decorations. Natasha's narrowed down all of our holiday decorations into one bin. We're going to show you some tips coming up in some of our other videos for Vlogmas on ways you can save money. Get some decorations. You don't have to get rid of everything. For now, let's give you an ugly glimpse into our storage area, which I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing kids put stuff in there for us. That's on us as adults. We didn't follow up, but check this out.
Bag.
We used to have a Christmas tree, but when we moved into the Valor, this under storage compartment here wasn't as big, so some stuff had to go.
Buy covers, but those can be shaped into anything.
Anything. Shape it into a diamond.
Okay.
Alright, we're doing all this food prep, but it's not just for tonight's big Christmas celebration dinner. We're also preparing. Once you get out there on your road with this giant 44-foot RV, yeah, it's an RV. Look it up. People tell me this isn't an RV. Anyway, you get out there, the only place we can pull in are truck stops. That means you're either getting 90% of the time Subway or McDonald's. Yes, you might find some other things, but the point is, you're not going to really find some healthy options. When you want to eat unhealthy stuff, save that for ice cream. There's a pro tip.
Before I forget, since Bill and the kids put up the rear patio, we need to bring these glass panels down before travel day. Because you get so much vibration back here, these panels have been known to come loose and crash down suddenly, which can cause the glass to break. It's 3 o'clock, I'm off work. Woo! Actually, it's 3:15. As soon as I got off work, I packed up the computer, and as you can see, we have everything packed up and tied down and put away here in the garage. So this space is done. Time to head out and double check everything in the kitchen.
Everything looks like it's in tip-top shape. We're packing up. We're ready to hit the road. So day 3 Vlogmas is in the books.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified when the next Vlogmas video is released. We're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
There's stuff all over the camera. Does it look like weirdness? Kiko, 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 kiko.